Boy, get your head out the skies. And don't slip up, you get wet when I slide. I know some niggas who ready to try. Then the same niggas who ready to die. He ain't 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 ready to die. Nigga, between you and I be thinking about I ain't even gon' lie. Nigga, don't get crucified. Tryna portray a guy when you know that you not. You will get killed over pride. Tryna build a facade. Watch your shit spill out your top. You be boosting a lot. We all in the same pot. Pussy, we see through your plot. Money on money, that's all I be thinking. Keep my eyes peeled, I'm allergic to blinking. You on the verge, get submerged, you sinking. I might leave your shit on the curb, I've been drinking. You niggas be on the rapping and shit. 100K stash and some cash in the whip. Niggas talk like they be having this shit. I think these niggas imagining shit. One shot to your armor to start Armageddon. I feel like a farmer, I'm milking this shit. When I get to cause hard to a nigga, my pleasure. Might diagnose me with an illness and shit. Fill up a clip with hot peppers, I pull up with steppers. No questions, I'm still finna hit. This nigga managed to get to the whip. He still hit the ground, I'm still finna blip. When he wake up, he gon' feel like a bitch. He gon' realize he quit. He might be ashamed of the life that he live. It's real as it get. Don't ask for no smoke if you can't take a hit. If you can't take a hit. But please don't mind me, I'm just talking my shit. I'm just talking my shit. Boy, get your head out the skies. And don't slip up, you get wet when I slide. I know some niggas who ready to try. Then the same niggas who ready to die. He ain't 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 ready to die.